ATMA, MAT, CMAT, CET. Now there's a lot of confusion going on whether which exams are accepted by which colleges. So let me clear all the doubt. For the MMS program, which is the flagship master's program at Mumbai University, ATMA, MAT, CMAT, CET are all valid for the MMS seats as well as for the PGDM seats both. Okay, so let me clarify that. Now if you are a Pune based student, Mumbai based student, for you it is only CET exam. So there are seats reserved, 85% seats are reserved for you in every college, which is through CET only, pure CET, no other exams. But 15% seats, which are around 18 seats in every college except JB, are for all India seats. Okay, that's not for the Maharashtra students, that is for the all India students. But all India का नाम अभी रखा गया है. It used to be OMS earlier, now it is all India seats. Now because you are part of India, we can also apply for these seats. So everybody who is based in Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Chennai, Pune, Nashik, Nagpur can apply for these 18 seats through ATMA, MAT, CMAT and CET. Okay, these 4 exams. The problem is DT will announce this after the CET result is out. कि हम लोग जो फेब वाला ATMA MAT we are accepting those schools. So by that time it will be too late. So अगर देना है तो अभी you can give the exam. Now if you go to ATMA website, उसमें सिडनम का नाम नहीं है. They are not listing the Sydenham College, Somaya College. But because DT have said yes we are accepting ATMA MAT score, so they are accepting ATMA MAT score. So you have to just fill the ATMA CMAT, CET, MAT forms. Any of these scores you are all eligible. You are all eligible for the MMS seats. But because MMS there is no GDPI, there are only 18 seats per college, cutoff is going to be high. So 99.96 for Sydenham, 99.92 through for Somaya, and 99.90 for Willinker. SIS Dalmia karte karte. So you need minimum 99 percentile for the top 10 B schools. 99 percentile for the MS program in top 10 B schools through all India seats. Yeah. But for the PGDM program, you have to separately buy the form. So go to the college website, Willinker, SIS, Dalmia, METIS, all the B schools have their separate PGDM form, which you can buy. So a safer score of 95 percentile is a very good score to convert Willinker, SIS and Dalmia. And a safe score of 85 percentile is good enough for METIS Chetna through MAT, ATMA, CMAT, CET. Now you have to check on the website which score is accepted by which college. For example, Somaya out of these 4 accepts only CMAT score. Willinker do not accept MAT but accept CMAT, CET and ATMA scores. SIS accept all 4 scores. So you have to go to the website and check which college is accepting which scores, so that I can apply for the PGDM program. So MS program cutoff is high, 99 percentile for top 10 and 99.9 for top 4. Excluding JB is not accepting that. And for PGDM program, you need 95 percentile. So that's the best part. Getting ATMA 95 percentile is much more easier than getting 99 percentile in CET. So CET हम दे ही रहे हैं, वैसे भी everyone is going to give CET. So we can apply here as well. Okay. Now what you do is towards the end, once you have to submit CET form, once result is out, we apply for DT. There we have to take mark. We want to apply through master seat, and I also want to apply through all India seats. I can take mark both. So we'll take mark both. So in CET, we'll put CET scores. In master seat and in all OMS seats, we'll put OMS ka scores. Okay, so that we can apply to both of them. Okay. I hope I made the process very simple for you. So if you're giving ATMA MAT, I recommend all my students to give ATMA MAT so that we have a very good chance to convert for the MS program if you get a good percentile, and backup it will act as a good backup plan for PGDM program in case we are not able to score that great in the CET paper. Okay, so wherever you're based, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, all of you can give ATMA MAT, CMAT, CET. CMAT dates are over, but Feb, ATMA MAT are there. Now ATMA MAT is also going to happen in May. But we don't know ATMA MAT of May will be accepted or not. Last year it was accepted because if the May ATMA MAT result is out before CET cap round starts, they will accept the score. But अगर delay हो गया तो नहीं accept करेगा. So I don't want you to wait till that time. Plus like CAT के बाद किताब खोलने का इच्छा नहीं होती है, CET के बाद किताब खोलने की इच्छा नहीं होगी. तो जो करना है अभी करो. Because अभी लोहा गर्म है, अभी you want to do the hard work, you can do the hard work, we can crack it. So if you join the CMATking program, we are giving you ATMA, MAT, CMAT mock for free. So if you log in through your laptop, on the home page you can see ATMA, CMAT, ATMA MAT CMAT mocks as well. So for example, ATMA MAT CMAT CET, they are also accepting CAT and ZAT score, but only 99 percentile, 99.9 percentile plus for the top 4. तो कैट में 90.9 परसेंटाइल आता तो शायद आज ये वीडियो ना देख रहे होते, बट एनीवे जोक्स अपार्ट, सो लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट कैट एंड जेड. सो दीज 4 एग्जाम्स आर देयर एंड वी कैन क्रैक इट आराम से. ठीक है. सो लेट्स टेक इट द बैकडोर एंट्री फॉर दिस 18 सीट्स थ्रू एटमा मैट सीमैट फॉर एमएस, एंड फॉर पीजीडीएम ऑल 240 सीट्स depending on how many seats are in which college are open for all these colleges. So you have to check on the website where we can apply. Alright, so if I've left any more question, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply. All the best. And in case you want to join us, you can click on the link below, description below. You can join for mocks, books or shortcuts. Alright, all the best. Thank you.